Hey guys, it's Jelly Bear here, and today I'm going to be making some slime. I know I am super late on this trend, but I like making it for fun regardless of how popular it is. And just a disclaimer, I am aware there's a ton of background noise. I am so sorry about that, but I don't know. I guess you could just try to focus on what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna tell you, sorry, I can't talk today. First thing I dissolved, I believe it was 1 teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of warm to hot water, and don't use cold. It will not dissolve all the way or it'll take a really long time. But yeah, so that's what I did off camera. So just, I'm going to show you how to actually make the slime now. And I cannot talk today. I am so sorry. Okay, so I got my bowl here. And I'm gonna try to make this work as best as I can. But you guys will be able to see the end result. So please do not click away because you'll get to see the end result. So I'm just adding a bit of glue. I think that's good. And I'm also going to be adding just some normal water to this, just to make it the slime a bit more stretchy. Oop. Okay, just gonna mix that up here. Okay, so I'm back. I just mixed the rest off camera. There's no exact measurements to how much water you add. If you want to make a more jiggly-ish and probably a bit more stretchy slime, unless you add too much water, way too much water, then go ahead and add a bit more of water. But if you want it to be more of a firmer and less stretchy, then add less water. It could go both ways. If you add too much water, it'll become too breakable, and same if you don't add enough. So you test it out, see what you like. So I'm going to be adding my shaving cream now, and I just found this one at the dollar store. You can get bigger bottles at other stores too. I do not think they have the big one at Dollar General, but I don't know. I could be wrong on that. So I'm just gonna. That looks good. And I'm just gonna mix this up. And I'll be right back. I'm just gonna mix this off camera. Okay, so I'm done mixing in the shaving cream. And it kind of looks like meringue when you get to the stage of soft peaks. I don't know if any of you guys know what that means. Comment down below if you do. It's a baking thing. So, yeah. So I'm going to now activate this, and I'll try to get this on camera, but if it gets too shaky or it's just not going to work, then I'm going to stop and just... Okay, we started off with a lot there. That's all right. Yeah, we definitely started with a lot. Okay, the bowl is moving around. I think I'm gonna actually do this off camera or maybe do a time lapse. I don't know, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I am done mixing the slime, and now I'm going to move on to the coloring, and I have a whole bucket of paint right here, and I decided I am going to put the lipstick in, but I'm going to wait till the end to do that. So make sure you watch till the end, and I'll be right back to pick a color. Okay, I'm done mixing all the color in, and I think this turned out really, really, really pretty. And now I'm going to try to poke it without talking and stuff. So, yeah. I am now going to be moving on to mixing in the lipstick. So, just gonna like put a little bit on there. I think this is going to be a very, 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 very light pink. Kind of looks like a strawberry cheesecake. The soap is peach scented. I think I'm going to find another color to mix in with this. Let's see. Should make it red. I think I'm going to make it red. Okay. Whoop. Got it? Okay. Trying to break the seal. Got it. It looks brown, but I think it's gonna turn out as a deep, like, lipstick colored red, so this might get a little sticky, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little activator on there. Oh, my hands are gonna turn a different color, but that's okay. It's all a part of slime experiments. Ooh, I like this color. thank you guys so much for watching. That is all I have today. And I'm sorry if the angles were kind of weird, again, as I mentioned. But this is the best I can do right now. And I want you to let me know if you want me to do future slime videos. And don't forget to come back to my channel later in the week, or just hit that bell icon so you don't have to. And you'll to see a soft and slow squishies review, because I actually got a couple of them while I was on my vacation that I told you about before. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. So leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. And if you made it this far, comment Fluffy Slime for a chance to win a shout out.